Hey guys, it's your girl Ray of Sunshine. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a morning routine of basically how I wash my face, what I use in my hair to moisturize it. I just washed it, and how to do a head wrap. And this video is inspired by Alicia Keys. She most recently did a YouTube tutorial on those 3 things from Vogue. And I was just like, that sounds cool. I actually want to try it and, of course, be myself. I love the video idea, and people have been asking me, like, how do you do your head wraps? What are you using on your skin? It's so clear. My mouth is so dry, y'all, excuse me. So I just thought, like, this morning, let's do a nice, because I was gonna do it each video individually, but then I saw Alicia Keys' video and I was like, that's an amazing idea, and why not try it? Why not incorporate all 3 routine within one video? So let's get ready. If you are interested, please keep watching and don't forget to like that subscribe button. So what I first do, I rinse my face with warm water. The warm water basically opening your pores. I'm going to do a light cleanser. One of my favorite, there we go. One of my favorite babies, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. So I got this from Sephora for $35, I think it is. But the good thing about these, if you're interested in trying it, they have smaller versions. Smaller versions for $15. And this is basically the consistency of it. It's not sticky or anything, but it's more of like a, I don't know, like light gooiness. And just massaging it all on your neck, all on your cheeks. So now I'm just going to rinse that off. So now that I'm back, I'm going to be using another one of my faves. I just purchased this recently from Trader Joe's, grapefruit ginger sugar scrub. Guys, I live by this, okay? This feels so good. And originally I got it just for my body, which I use it on my body as well. And then I was like, you know what? Let me see what this will be like when trying it on my face. So I tried it one night and woke up. I felt amazing. So it is a rejuvenating body scrub made with fine sugar crystals infused with tart grapefruit and spicy ginger scent. All natural products, nothing but like oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, grapefruit extract and things like that. So this stuff is thick, but it's gritty.
And what I love about this nice scrub too is that it doesn't leave my face feeling dry or dehydrated after that. It feels very rejuvenated, has a nice glow. Even after washing my face feels very soft.
So I'm gonna let this sit for like extra few minutes. Probably like 5 minutes max. Let it really go in there on my neck. Yep. Girl, it's glowing, okay? All right. Hold up. Y'all better be lucky summer is canceled. So I would have been popping out, okay? Oh my gosh. Some of the stuff got in my mouth. It tastes actually good, but it's kind of weird because it's not meant for you to eat. Okay, so this is my face. Rinsed. I just take my fan it dry, I don't really like cloths that much because my skin is so sensitive, so I just try not to rub or do anything extra. This works just as fine. My face is pretty dry now. It's really dry because I had a phone call. Yeah, I'm going to be using witch hazel, and I just get a cotton pad, pour some on there, and I just go upward. There's nothing on there. I use a little bit of this Eucerin Cream. It's just a little creamy. I just grab a little bit, and then I go in with my Mederma dry oil, and I've been using this to get rid of my dark spots. I think I have some before and after pictures. My skin was breaking out like crazy. My dark spots, not that much right here, but all right here. And since we're doing the moisturizer, one of my favorite babies, wait, that's tacky, TWA oil, one of my favorites. I use this for my skin, I use this for my hair. So last thing, facial toner, rose water from Trader Joe's. Just spray that everywhere. Woo. Boom. Now that I'm pretty much done with my face and moisturizing my skin, oh, got a little bit on there. Naughty. Those of you who watched Courage the Cowardly Dog know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, you're too young. So I go ahead and I get some of that TWA oil that I was telling you about. Oh my goodness. I just rub it through my scalp. Oh, my hair is dry. The scalp is dry. I rub it through my scalp. In the description, I'm going to leave all of the products mentioned in today's video down below where I got it from. But this, you can get this from ShopRite, you can get this from the hair store, not so much Walmart. I don't think I've ever seen the red oil at Walmart, but they do have other products from TWA. They're like conditioners and such. Now that she is all oiled up, I'm going to grab my spray bottle, which has some leave-in conditioner, water, a little bit oil, my favorite conditioner, one of my favorite conditioners, I leave in from Jane Carter, nutrient replenishing conditioner, and then lastly, just to define my curls, honey curl foaming custard. Spraying my hair just a little bit, doesn't need to be, you know what, it doesn't have to be soaked, just enough to spread the product. Ooh. good. So now I'm gonna go in with the D Essentials. It's really like jelly type. I just lightly go over. Now last but not least, the moment that you ladies have all been waiting for, the head wraps. Now I have a variety of scarves. Well, I picked my top 3, which is this one, and a gold satin scarf, just to throw in some texture for those who like to wear a satin scarf and would like to know how to keep it from sliding off your head. So here's my little scarf. I got this from the thrift store. Y'all, ain't she pretty? A nice little square scarf, small. This is what I normally wear when I'm in the house. But I tied this down over my head first because I just moisturized my hair, and from the fabric and things on the other scarves, when I take it off, my hair will be dry. So I use this to basically help seal in all the moisture. Starting with the satin scarf first. And this is not even like a scarf for real. This was from a dress that I cut, and I'm like, you a scarf now. And I just grab another little dinky scarf. They don't have to be all fancy. And you're just gonna, for those who don't have hair, this is for y'all, okay? But for those who have buns and stuff, you would normally just put your hair in a bun. Let's try that again. And then if you choose to add like more scarf, just to give it that extra oomph, then you can do that. I really like my scarves big. The bigger, the taller, the better. So now you got it 2 pieces. What I do is I tie a nice knot, and this will keep the satin scarves from falling and slipping off your head. Nice and tight, not going nowhere. Let your ears come out. Yes. Boom. Now that's number 1. And this one's really long. I believe, forget it. I believe that I got this one from Burlington Coat Factory, and she is long. Love the yellow in this. It has little end tassels and beads on it. So what I do is I don't even fold it in half. That's just some paint on the scarf, but it's fine. This goes from waist wrap to head wrap. So I fold it like this, right? instead of the dainty scarf that I had, I'm going to use the yellow piece. And the same thing that I did with the yellow, you're only going to not fold it halfway, but just fold it a little bit. I'm going to show you guys again. Put this on my head because I wanted that tall. Alright guys, and this is the end of my video. I hope you guys had a good time with me. I'm pretty chill. It's still kind of early, so I'm not all that talkative today. Just a little bit here and there, but most importantly to deliver what today's video is going to be. Is my skin. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you'd like to see more content from me, then you can gladly click on that subscribe button and become part of the Ray and Sunshine family. I'm being so dramatic. But yes, thank you guys for watching, and I will be posting more content. We'll be posting more about my art, possibly an art documentary. Just be patient with me, guys, and thank you. Have a great day. Peace.